Hey guys, what's up? So I'm live after a long time. Sorry I didn't inform because I also didn't know what time I'm gonna come live. But yeah, hi, what's up? What's going on? I was just clicking pictures. I was just making a video, and then I thought, why not like go live and like have a chat? So what's up? What's up? So it's been a great, week. I can say like December has been really good. I've been working, and there are a lot of things that are going on. So I'm having a lot of fun, and I'm very excited for Christmas. I'm very excited for New Year. Um, I also hope that you guys don't have any New Year like party plans. Like I would really suggest, be very safe. This season, because after all, health matters a lot. So please be safe. Please, wear a mask when you go outside. Hi, what's up? I'm reading the comments. 23,000, 24,000 people with me. So can you say hi Ifi, hi Sanaya, hi Almira, hi, hello, hi Latika Di, how are you? Cutie patootie. Thanks. Thank you. Hey guys. Hi Ansh. Hello Avinash. I'm just gonna take a few names. Um, Hi Sejal. Can you add me? Yeah, sure. Why not? Go live. So I'm adding people right now. Hey.
Oh my god, hi.
Hi. I want to see you. Where are you? I want to see you.
Sorry I can't show my face, but I just want to say I love you so much. You're
Thank you.
so cute,
Thank you. Thank
and
you so much.
I can't wait to show you my graduation pictures.
Me too. I'm very
Like
excited to see him.
I'm gonna take them soon and send it to you. It's like my senior
Ah,
year, so I'm really
yay.
excited.
All the best, all the best. And I'm very excited to see the pictures as well.
Thank you. All right,
Yeah.
bye. It's
Bye
like three.
bye.
It's like 3 here in United States.
Oh my
And
god.
this is my first time joining your live because you come live around 6 and I was asleep. So I was so excited to join.
How
Thank you for
cool.
adding me.
It's alright. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Wow, we reached 40,000. That's crazy. So, so guys, YouTube also, there's so many of you, like sending so much love to YouTube, and मैंने बहुत सारे vlogs बनाए हैं, मैं बहुत सारा content बनाया है, like new content, and I'm very excited to put it out. तो बस wait कीजिए, and there's a Goa vlog coming up. There are a lot of things coming up, so yeah, stay tuned. And if you don't know my YouTube channel, it's Anushka Sen Official, so you can go subscribe to it. एंड आप देख सकते हैं कि मैं IGTV पोस्ट करना शुरू किया है एज आई प्रॉमिस्ड एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज आई थिंक हाय आशका दी हाउ आर यू हेलो हाउ आर यू आई मिस यू सो मच इट्स बीन सो लॉन्ग सिंस आई मेट यू सो मुझे बहुत मजा आया कि आई वाज क्रिएटिंग व्हेन आई वाज इन गोवा लाइक द लास्ट टाइम व्हेन आई वाज इन साउथ गोवा तो मैंने सोचा कि IGTV series banate hain. Let's do something else. Let's, start IGTV as well. And thank you for, giving so much love to my IGTVs as well. I promise to be very active on that as well. Um, yeah. And even reels, you guys are liking my reels also. So, I just really appreciated this live is basically to say thank you. We have reached 12.2 million, which is amazing. मुझे बहुत 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 अच्छा लग रहा है genuinely. मतलब I can't even say कि मतलब मैं कितना खुश हूँ. So thank you guys, thank you. आपने इतना प्यार दिया है हमेशा मुझे. So thank you. Hi, say my name. Hi Prishti. Hi. can you do reacting to fan edits? I think I'm gonna do a reacting to fan edits for IGTV because I've done it for like YouTube. तो मैं IGTV पे I think सोच रही हूँ कि है ना एक fan edit react करूँ. The only issue is, you know, with fan edits, reacting to fan edits is that I feel really bad that I can't like, you know, check all the edits and like put all the edits in my IGTV or whatever. मुझे इतना बुरा लगता है, मुझे लगता है अरे wish I could just, you know, show all the edits or see all the edits. There's so many edits I miss out on. मुझे इतना बुरा लगता है. But thank you guys for all the edits, and you know, I'm so happy, be it video edits or photo edits or outlines or whatever, you know, जो भी आप edits बनाते हैं मेरे लिए मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And I try my best to like, you know, check all the edits, but miss out हो जाता है कभी कभी because, you know, there's so many edits. And you know, I'm very happy that you guys make such good edits, and this makes me really happy. For 12 minutes as well, I think there's so many edits that I couldn't check yet. Like yesterday I was checking some 12-minute edits and I was like, oh, I missed out on this and I didn't see this or whatever. So you know guys, whenever you think that कि आपका edit में से miss हो गया या something, so please don't, you know, this, oops, sorry, my something came up. So you know, I'll try my best कि मैं सारे edits देखूं, और जैसे ही मुझे, you know, edits दिखता है, just put it on my story. Also, thank you for you know, giving so much wishes to Sindra because she's not well, and I just really hope that she, you know, gets well soon. Just, you know, I just really need all your wishes for her. And it's not, you know, I mean, yeah, we do, like me and Sindra, we all need your wishes, and I think we hope that she gets well soon. She's on medication, she's a little down, but yeah, let's just hope that she gets well soon. So I'm just gonna add some people जो मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि please add. So I'm gonna add guys, मैं उनको add करी जिनसे मेरी पहले कभी बात हुई नहीं है. तो let's see किसको add कर सकते हैं. Okay, I'm gonna add from comments. Sinushka. Let's see.
Oh my goodness! Anushka sir!
How sweet.
I couldn't believe this. Okay, first let me take my breath.
Okay. Yeah.
You added me! Oh my god. I really didn't expect this.
I can't see.
Yeah, I'm hiding my face. I'm hiding my face.
Why? I want to see her. I want to see.
अनुष्का दी, मुझे एक छोटी हेल्प कर सकती है क्या?
हाँ जी, बोलिए.
I'm from Tamil Nadu. I'm a great fan of you. I have seen you from my small age. Since I'm small, I've seen you in all your characters, Meher. Can you please accept my DM once? Chat with me, please.
I will. Surely, I'll check your account. I'll surely check your
You know,
account.
oh my goodness. You know how is my heart is beating right now? It's so fast, so fast. You know, I couldn't even believe this. I'll send you my pic in DM, okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. Bye
Thank-
bye. Oh, okay. That was great. I just really wish I could see her, but thank you for so much love. Thank you. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, you know, when I talk to you all and आप लोग का ऐसा reaction होता है, I just feel so good. I need a charger. My phone's dying. Okay. Hi. Hey. Okay, I'm gonna add somebody else. Add me. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna add her. Hi. Let's see. Let's add. Done.
Hi, Didi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Where are you from?
I'm from Pune.
Pune.
Yes.
What? How old are you?
I'm in 8th standard.
8th standard. Wow. So आपकी online classes चल रही है?
Yes.
Okay, that's amazing.
I'm your big fan.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so
How
much,
are you?
Tanmay. I'm good. I'm good. Everything's good.
My brother is also your big fan.
Oh, say hi to your brother from me. Where is he?
Hi,
Hi. How are you?
I'm your big fan.
Thank you.
I like your episodes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You
You're
have,
looking very good in that. Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Tanmay, for joining. Thank you.
Thank you.
Great. Okay. Voice is echoing. Yeah, voice echoes. Usually when I add somebody. Hi. Hey, Glossy say. What's up? Hey. Hi. So everyone's saying. Oh, somebody wrote hi in Hindi. Wow. अच्छा था ये वाला. Very good. Okay. So so many requests I'm getting. Wow. Thank you guys for sending so many requests. So happy. And we also have like 32,000 people live with us. Like, that's crazy. Just let me grab my charger 1 second. My phone's dying. Sorry. This happens with me usually. Okay. Please take care of Sindra. Yes, I will. I have all your wishes, and she's gonna be alright very soon. Steady Kanushka. Hey, Juhi. What's up? What's up? Why am I singing what's up? What's wrong with me? Okay. Hi, Ifi. Hi, Sahil. Hi, Swastika, Kritika. Hi, Rishita. Hi, Nadia. Hi, Sanaya. Hi, Sharanya. Hi, Abhi. Hey, Anushka. Hi, Juhi. What's up? Hi, Khushi. What's up? Okay, I've got the charger. I just don't know where to put it. It's okay. I'll just put it later on. Okay. Hi, Mayank. Hello. Hi. I am good. I love how you're hyped. So, guys, आपको पता है जैसे आप लोग ऐसे लिख रहे हो ना कैप्स में, like caps lock और क्या बोलते हैं कैप्स लॉक में आप लोग लिखते हो ना very excitedly. So that's me. I do that. So my friends, if you ask my friends, if I'm very excited about something, I'll be like caps lock में पूरा लिखा है. My friends are like, bro, what happened? So this is me. And I love how you guys are doing the same thing with me. That's crazy. Okay. And here we go with the charger. Mom to the rescue. Always. Thanks, Mama. Thanks, Mom. Love you, Mama. She just ignored me and went. Can you imagine? Now she's laughing. Like, I couldn't breathe for 2 seconds. Excited for a new music video? Yes, even I'm very excited. I'm also very excited for a new music video. So, guys, I had so much fun in Goa. I mean, it was a lot of fun. Matlab, I think one of the best trips I've ever had. And the shoot was it was done in a very grand way, very beautiful, amazing amazing team, very good team. And Prince sir was one of our directors, and he was so nice and so humble. So as you all know that before I was an actor, I was into dancing, and that was my first thing to like first, it was my priority basically. So tabhi I remember, you know, being very inspired from him. Prince Sir को मैं देखती थी DID में, and there was Shakti Mohan as well. So that was, I think, season 1 or something, and I was very impressed. I was like, no, this is, you know, I was very motivated when I used to see him that time, and I think that was 10, 11 years ago. And after that, you know, after 10 years, you know, he comes in, and me and Siddharth, when we were here saying, he just comes in and he's teaching us, like, you know, you should do it like this, and, you know, probably you can. And he's so helpful, and he's so nice as a human being. He's such a humble person, and it was really great to meet him and, in fact, work with him. Siddharth and I also had a lot of fun, and, you know, we were making vlogs, and so much fun we had. It was genuinely, I really like working with Siddharth. He's so hardworking and so much fun to work with. So yeah, that was great. And about the music video, I can't say anything right now, but if I could, I would have told you so many things, but I can't. But yeah, it was great. One of the best experiences I ever had. And there was, you know, my mom went with me, Vibha auntie was there. It was just like a picnic. It was like, you know, it was amazing. It was a, you know, very good trip. Honestly, it just didn't feel like it was a 2-day trip. It felt like, you know, we were there for like 4 days or 5 days or something. It's great. What a trip. Sorry guys, I can't get Cinder right now because, you know, she's sleeping because of the medication. You know, it's really high, so I think she's, you know, she's sleeping, so I don't really think I can get her. But yeah, it's all right. Next time, probably when she will be better. Hi Shilpi, give a little spoiler about your new music video. I don't want to. I mean, this one, I really don't want to give any spoilers. I really want you all to see the entire result. Like, जो shoot किया है उन्होंने, मतलब the location, the hard work of the entire team, and oh wow. Is your hair naturally straight? Yes, my hair is like naturally straight. I don't straight like this. This is like, I've done nothing to my hair, really. This is my natural straight hair. I just, whenever I see a camera or a mirror, I'm always like, I really like it. Usually when I'm live and I'm standing, I usually walk around the entire house. But today I can't do that because charger pe hai mera phone. But koi baat. Oh, great. Okay. Anushka, pose for a screenshot. Nice. Did you get it? Okay. What's wrong with my laugh? Why is it coming out like that? ठीक है, जो भी है. So what are you guys watching these days? I'm just out of ideas. I don't know what to watch anymore. I mean, I think I don't know what to watch. Can you guys suggest me what to watch? Also, new songs. I've just heard, you know, I hear songs 24/7. Now I'm out of new songs. Now I need new songs. Where are you? No, I'm not in Goa. I'm at my, see, घर पे हूँ मैं. Want to say hi to Santa? Hi Santa. What's up, buddy? So my dad said something very funny today. So I was like, Dad, Christmas is coming. Gift क्या है मेरा Christmas का? You know, Santa. What is the gift that I'm getting this year? So he's like, COVID चल रहा है, so Santa's not gonna come. Okay. Hi Meghna. Sup? Hi Dia, my favorite. Thank you so much, यार. Thank you. आप लोग भी मेरे favorite हो. Hi ma'am. Hi. Watch The 100. Okay, so there's Dynasty, 100. These are all the things that you've suggested, right? All right. I'll watch. Is there any movie, like something short term? Like, I don't know if I can watch a series right now. I need a Damon in my life. Really? You do? Let's see. How can we get you a Damon? I don't know, because if we could, I would have gotten one. But we'll find. Fine. Hello G. Hello. कैसे हैं आप? Namaste. Do you guys like my extensions? I was like, this is the second time I'm getting extensions and I'm having fun because every picture I'm like this. No, not like that. Like this. Like I'm having fun with the extension. I mean, it's pretty cute. And I've done it after a long time, like I think 2 years or something. Anushka, I really like how you be yourself in Harry Styles songs. Actually, the thing is, whenever I'm listening to, so Ayush, the thing is, whenever I'm listening to a Harry Styles song, same mein, matlab, genuinely, it just makes me very happy. It's something like, your favorite artist or, your favorite music person. आप उनका गाना सुनते हैं and you just, you feel. So I'm myself here also. Like this is me. This is Anushka. Like you meet me in real life also, I'm like this only. तो मेरा ऐसा ही है. So I'm myself only all the time. The best part is you should be yourself. No matter what. You should be yourself. This is like, I should tweet this, no? Be yourself. Okay. Anushka, watch After. I watched After We Collided as well. Watched it. Really like it. आपका पूरा आउटफिट दिखाओ. This is where I get stuck. अब मैं कैसे दिखाऊं पूरा आउटफिट? मेरे को अभी ऐसे दिखाना पड़ेगा, okay? See, this is my entire outfit. This, and this. I can't keep it today because मेरा phone charge पे है. Sorry. ऐसे ही देखना पड़ेगा. This is my earring that I'm wearing. This is my nail. Forgot to wear rings. No issues. Your favorite quote? My favorite quote is do what you love what you do. I think that this is the quote that I've been using or following since, quite a long time. Hi, Amrita. I have also watched Princess Switched. Have you seen Home Alone? I have also seen Home Alone. We have the same taste. Me and my Anushkins have same taste. In movies, in music, in everything. Okay. You look so pretty. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. अब मैं थैंक यू तो इंग्लिश में धन्यवाद बोलने लगूंगी. Somebody is like say it in Hindi. Every time you all like अगर हर बार आप मेरे को बोलोगे और pretty and you're looking nice and this, I'll be like नहीं धन्यवाद. How it'll sound so जैसे जिस भाषा में आप लिखेंगे हम उस भाषा में जवाब देंगे. तो एक लाइन बंगाली में बोलो ना प्लीज. ठीक है. What should I say in Bengali? What is a Bengali line that I haven't said in a life? The only thing I could. What a mood. So the only line that came in my head, like the first line that came in my head was Amaki khide beje, which means I'm hungry. What a mood. No. Let me say something better. Everybody say Ami tomake bhalobashi. This is I've said so many times. This everybody knows. I want to say something else. আমি তোমাদের সবার সঙ্গে দেখা করতে চাই, which means I want to meet you all. हिंदी में इसका मतलब है कि मैं आप सबसे मिलना चाहती हूँ. फ्रेंच में मैं बोल देती पर उतना अच्छा फ्रेंच मेरे को आता नहीं है. जब मेरे को आने लगेगा तब I'll say it in French also. Okay. तो what is this? Hi Gajesh. Hi. Food lover for life. Always. What a foodie. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for joining my live. Thank you for all the edits. Thank you for all the love, the comments, and everything that you guys do. This means a lot to me. and thank you for supporting me and motivating me. So I'll keep coming live whenever I can, and I promise when I'm saying I will come live whenever I can, I really mean it. So Merry Christmas in advance, a very Happy New Year in advance. I really hope that you and your family are safe and happy, and I wish all your dreams come true. So take care, guys. Lots of love, and see you next time.